What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson with another awesome COTPS video. People, I already had a video recorded, but some kind of way, I guess I clicked on one screen because when you're sharing your screen, I use Zoom. So if you share the wrong, even if it looks like it's on screen too, if you just share that one tab, you won't get it. It was like a YouTube video just stuck the whole time. Matter of fact, I don't mind even sharing it with you guys. It was the first video I did. Yeah, there we go. What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another awesome COTPS video. Kicking butt, taking names, printing the arbitrage at its finest. Arbitrage at its finest. Like I said, if you ever want to see how it works, 2700. Talking to you the whole time, and this guy's up there the whole time. Telling you to buy something. Safe way to buy real estate in any house market. So at least I was giving you some good knowledge on how to buy real estate, but sometimes it disappears. I wasn't giving you good knowledge. So we did our withdrawal today. This is going to be a real quick video since all I'm doing is recapping everything we did on today. And I'll just upload this video because that one was jacked up. Transaction haul showed you we had 1205, 0.820 in the balance because the bot is running. And we did our withdrawal on today, which is getting closer to 3,000 people. Ooh, boy, $3,000. If we get to $3,000 a day, that's like a $90,000 a month. Because we already in the 60s. The longer this keep going on, and we pray that it continues, we already in the 60s per month. You know what I'm saying? So it goes to 90,000. $3,000. That's $1 million a year if it keeps going. Because obviously by the time you get to the end of the year, the 3,000 is probably going to be about 5, 6, 7,000. It keeps just growing and growing and growing and growing. Because why are not people going to keep growing? So people, this is crazy. I'm trying to tell you, this is awesome. Bless God for this opportunity. I bless him anyway, but I'm just saying this is so awesome. This is so awesome. Because when IBC went down and stopped doing everything they was doing, we were doing like $4,000 or $5,000 a week. And then they went and did their own little hiatus, and this joint came around, and my brother in Christ forced me into it. Like, you need to join, you need to go, you need to do this. Here, I'm just gonna put money in there and you just promote it. And here we are today. You know what I'm saying? People always looking out for you because you look up to Christ, and he always had people looking out. Remember, the wealth is here on the earth. I mean, if he could drop a bag of money and just let it hit at your doorstep, he could. He would. He can, but he would if it was needful at that time. But other than that, wealth is here. It's on earth. So you just put the right places and right pieces together for you to get what you need all the time. So you see, we it's completed. I'm sure we already got our email from Kraken. I think I already seen it. Oh, that's the wrong one. This no. Yep, this is right here. So Kraken, 11:23. Remember the earlier video was at 11:18. So yeah, here we go right here. That 11:18. So that was it. So it's there in the account. Yes, people. Hey, got to go out, do this thing. You got to have a faith walk. You go out there and know you're going to blow this thing up and just do it. Just start telling people. And then let God send the people. Because it's funny, I get called every day. People like, man, you're doing pretty good in all these videos. I mean, you're doing pretty good in these businesses. You're growing in these businesses. What are you doing? Like, what is your marketing pro? You got an email list? You got this? Like, nope. Do YouTube videos, and the people come. It's funny sometimes because I have to tell people because they'll come like, yeah, we about to start this new business, man. I need you to get your team on board because I see how y'all be growing. I'm like, dude, team, these are my people. The funny thing is that it needs the type of different businesses you don't really know who they are. Now in MetaFeed, I can look them up and find out who they are, and then I can email them. But and IPC was personal like that too, where you can email them. But some of these, you really won't know who they are unless you know their username. So when you go to my team and then you start looking down the people, let this refresh. All right, so if you start looking down the people, like Trout Slayer, how many Trout Slayers we got? You know what I'm saying? I see dudes out there in the pond, in the backyard, in the lake out there in the back, getting fish all the time. So I could be one of them. I don't know who they are. Marquise. Now, Tagana, we probably can figure out who that is. Unless if they're from America. Now, if they're not, you might as well forget it. You're not going to figure out who that is. Y'all, MPDRF, no. You won't know. You know what I'm saying? These are just blessed people that see me fit to let me be their leader. And now we're all getting paid. Well, and there's so many of them. I'm not going to go down the whole list. But just letting you know, COTPS, COTPS, kicking butt, taking names. And more people just look. This is everybody. Everything they're doing. Boom, 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 boom. Different names. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, I don't even know who this guy is. He's doing a lot of transactions because all these prices is different. Golly. But hey, yeah, if you want to sit there and watch that all day, you go right ahead. All you got to do is log in, join, and you can watch that screen all day long. Customer service is right here if you need them, whenever you need them. It's beautiful, people, and we're loving it. Loving it. Pray that it lasts for a long time. If this thing lasts for about 2 years, everybody's zip code is changing. I mean, we're in a pretty nice zip code as it is, but I'm just saying, you know what I mean. Like, say if this is your first opportunity and this you going like straight from something that you had to do to something you want to do, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Now, some people had to be a lawyer when they wanted to be a doctor. So, I mean, I don't know, where the struggle is in that other than not doing what you want to do. So you're probably pretty much well off. But then again, the people that work for the state don't get as paid as much as the people that are going against them. So, regular attorneys you can be a $75,000 employee for the state as a lawyer, and then you got to fight against this darn $2-3 million a case attorney. So, and y'all could be, been out of law school the same amount of time. So it could work like that too. But anyway, let's go, people. Like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our team. I just wanted to get a good video out there where I can show you exactly what went on today. God bless. God bless. God bless.